Hello, my dear English learners. How are you? I hope that you all are doing great in your life. And when it comes to my side, I'm good. I'm fit as a fiddle. And oh my God, it's our day 7. I hope you people literally confused what Priya is saying. She's saying something day 7. What is that? Yes, I hope. I don't know how many of you have remembered that we started a challenge for 1 year, right? We started 1 year challenge to improve English, spoken English, especially basic to advanced. I don't know how many of you have remembered that. And you know one thing, I almost uploaded 6 videos regarding that. So when it comes to a last video, I covered the basic grammar, the basic overview of grammar. And you people literally liked it. See, I didn't use any pen, marker, board to teach grammar for you, right? I didn't use it, but you people literally like those kind of videos. But I just made the video like vlogging type, but hereafter I'm going to make a video like sit and talk video. Okay, I hope you people also literally like these kind of videos as well. Let's see, I don't know why, because of the time management, the busy schedule of our life, I couldn't make videos. I received your message. You said me that please continue the series, it will be very useful for her, please continue it. So I received many comments, and because for you, and just restart the journey today. Hereafter daily you'll get videos. Just follow it within this 1 year, which means coming 2027 itself, you're gonna see some improvement in the way you speak. You're gonna speak English confidently, I would say. We all know that I made many videos regarding spoken English. When it comes to practical method and steps, is nothing but listening, speaking, reading, writing. These are called 4 aspects of learning a language. But just think about it. Many people are there in this world. They have been watching videos. They have been listening music, English music especially. Apart from that, they read books. They do all those steps. They follow everything. But when it comes to speaking, they literally lag. Why? Not only because of lack of practice, but also they don't know how to frame a sentence. See, if you want to speak English, sentence plays a vital role. Without sentence, you can't convey your thoughts, right? Without sentence, you can't communicate. So if you want to speak English, you need to know how to frame a sentence. If you want to know how to frame a sentence, you need to learn basic English grammar. So that's the thing we are going to start today. I already given the overview of the basic grammar structure, everything in our previous video, especially day 6 and day 5. If you haven't watched it, you please go and watch it. Hereafter we are gonna continue the series. So today is our day 7. I'm very happy that we are gonna complete 1 week of a challenge, even though we took break, but that is not, just ignore it. We take break. Taking breaks are not that much bad, but we have to stick with that. So that's the thing, I'm going to restart it. So today I come up with an important topic in English, which is very basic, which is nothing but am, is, are. Oh my God, what is mean by am, is, are? What is mean by am, is, are? These are called be verbs, right? You people already know that. So today we are gonna see am, is, are in a very easy way. You don't worry, I'm not going to use any board pen. I'm not going to create this video as a monotonous part. It's literally a practical version. Just observe this video, watch it completely, and I'm going to give a lot of tips and tricks and homework as well. If you do it consistently, you can see the drastic improvement in the way you speak. You're going to start to frame a sentence very soon. So without squandering your time, just get into a video, especially this lesson. So I come up with am, is, are. That is the first important session that I literally want to start with. So in English, every sentence needs a verb. I already explained what is verb, what are types are there in verb. So you go and watch my previous video, okay? So when we talk about identity, feelings, condition or state, we use special verbs, that is called helping verbs. Be verbs, be verb is nothing but am, is, are. These 3 verbs are only used for present tense. Okay, if you want to talk about present actions or present experience, at that moment you have to use am, is, are. Okay, so these verbs do not show action. Yes guys, these verbs don't show actions. Action means eat, speak, teach. You are watching my video, these are called action verbs. State verbs don't show action, but it literally states state of a person, feelings, and the condition, these all comes under helping verbs and state verbs. I hope you people remember that. Let's start with usage of am. Very simple. Am we literally used with I am. So you can use the contraction am. If you want to say it a complete version, you can say I am. I'm Priya. I'm a teacher. I'm a student. I'm a homemaker. Whatever it is you just mentioned, am. Okay. When it comes to am, you can also talk about any feelings or state of your mind. I can say I'm happy, I'm vibrant, I'm energetic. So this is how we have to make sentence with use of am. Second one is is. Is we use with third person singular nouns. What are they? He, she, it. He, she, it are called third person singular. We can also give some examples. So I can give some examples for that. He is my friend. She is very beautiful, or she is gorgeous. Instead of very beautiful, you can use gorgeous. Okay, it is a dog. She is happy. He is happy. When it comes to I am happy. Okay, like that we have to use be verbs properly regarding the subject. Okay, good. And next part is nothing but are. Are is comes under plural verb, plural be verb. When it comes to I am singular because I. When it comes to he, she, it, that is also called third person singular nouns. So that's why we use he is, she is, it is. Now I'm going to talk about plural noun. If you want to talk about plural nouns, then you can use are. Especially you can use are with they, we, you. For example, you are my friend. They are my relatives. We are friends or we are classmates. So that's how we have to make a sentence with use of these be verbs. Now I'm going to cover positive statement and negative statement. How to make a positive statement and negative statement with use of am, is, are. Just take one example and we'll go with all those examples, okay? Step by step. First, I'm happy. When it comes to negative, I'm not happy. She is my friend. She's not my friend. They are my relatives. They are not my relatives. We are classmates. We are not classmates. We are angry. We are not angry. She is beautiful. She is not beautiful. He is my friend. He is not my friend. It is my dog. It's not my dog. Like that, we have to talk anything in a negative part with use of be verbs. See, generally we use these kind of stuffs in our day-to-day daily life conversation. You have to be very aware of it. Okay. See, whenever you talk about a positive statement, it would be very simple, like subject, am, is, are, plus complement. This is called the sentence structure for that. If you want to talk about any negative statement, just simply add not. Subject, am, is, are, plus not with complement. Complement means rest of the sentence. You can add anything called object, whatever it is. Okay, this is one type. And next one is asking questions. How to ask questions with use of am, is, are. So whenever you are going to ask questions, the helping verbs comes front. Okay, I am happy. If you want to ask a question, am I happy? He is my friend. Is he my friend? Are you happy? So like that we have to ask questions. So the helping verbs comes first. You can notice it, right? Good. Am I audible? We usually ask this. Am I audible? Am I correct? Is she happy? Is he sad? Which means we are asking some questions regarding third person singular, is, she, it. Instead of he, she, you can also mention any name. Is Ramya beautiful? Is Ramya an intelligent girl? Like that we can ask any question type. For example, they are late. Are they late? We are late. Are we late? I'm happy. Am I happy? She is my friend. Is she my friend? He's handsome. Is he handsome? It's my dog. Is it my dog? Like that we have to frame a sentence. Okay. So today you people have learned simple things which is called be verbs, am, is, are in a present form. How to use that in a positive statement, negative statement and interrogative type, which means nothing but asking questions. Don't forget to practice it in your conversation. Okay. This is your day 7. Tomorrow we are going to cover another grammatical topic. So each and every day you are going to cover a lot of things Each and every day, you people are going to learn some important concept from grammar in a pragmatic, easy way. You don't need to worry about it. Take example from your real life, then only it's going to helpful for you. Or else you people think that, oh my God, grammatical part, oh, it's boring, it's monotonous. Like that, you people think, you might think, okay? Don't be like that. Just practice. Grammar is important to speak proper English, right? So that's why I'm guiding you in a right way. Just continue the series. If you are the person who are literally serious about learning English, just continue this series and join with me. At end of this year or after 1 year, you can see you're gonna speak good English. Consistency is very important, right? It's mandatory. So that's it all about this video. I'll come up with another important topic or interesting video. Till then, you take care. Thank you guys. Bye bye.